omotan wa o kan sempa kora o munji ntumo Cristiano Ronaldo catch a stadium no enye papa nkura wo ho nsuo to ayesoso na to wa a free sporting Lisbon by 2003 no be see ene edan we dey from pa no na Old Trafford na me say akwa ibua na say dey say akokra washrooms no Johnson abu afa so
Old Trafford
Johnson egu osa no omutieti Johnson but you sika kofa yare abafie we stadium
Ronaldo no kre no be
na me ka say tan hunu na akomya de ni si e horo no so we kremo na kofa ba se menye nwa adwuma na ono kra de is team no
abre team
because the omo ye no na say omo nka no kra na say mo so e kremo be fasting on pese so ta say
we dey nka
stadium suba no mu yayi
nka we ka ye die mu but Old Trafford there
enye Emira enye kra I'm paying for my pain. I did for my lane. Na me wo baby. Enie de tini. Ene dwuma na ye be ye political kaka.
SOMPA Sports.
Hey. Muni jo so FC free so amonya ade. Urinal FC no.
AK7 up.
Ai, twagu busisi na ye kwa baby. When you go into the history of Italy so well, I've forgotten the exact word, but Diego Maradona called Napoli, no? Your friend Peseto. Peasants.
Oh, okay.
Na, Italy, no? So, she mine ya. You're the Italian South. Seminya Italy map, see ya the mawa. South. And now North. Good. Fantastic news. Lombardy. Hona Atlanta, hona Milano. Florence, Tuscany, Mema Oyamun show. Where the regions in Italy now who know TV no so no. Sardinia, island of Sardinia. No.
Yes.
Hona Cagliari. Se Ufa, Egypt, Libya, ne adena so peso ura Italia. Mostly baby atabe pie first Sicily. Hona Palermo. Enti ansa na beba Calabria ene Basilicata ne na chese oni na mua ye Campania so ho ene ye Puglia enti ukokoko mu a esoro no Emilia Romagna ewo ho Veneto ewo ho Friuli Venezia Giulia enso ewo ho hu Friuli a ma wadwen sesa Udinese Stadium no sana na efe no
yes
Stadio Friuli enti mirei ya semi etiawa there is what we call a cultural shift or schism in this country. Omo hu esro fo ne se omo na ye fita ya abrofo no. Napoli, Florence, Juventus, Turin, Florence, Milan, Como, Bergamo. Hono na here Italy no. Na se afo no de omo ye peseto, peasants. Ekuafo ahiafo. Any man from for omo edware puno Mediterranean sea ni be wura mu Italy no omo na ka bo mu wo mu nti na Napoli for no mo tan omo sa omo ye drag people ehia omo no na we nyina no neoma the schism and schism in Italian football ekosoro pa no the one and only Benito Mussolini obeka ya ye onveli Dybala na ma hu Benito Mussolini ni pa no ye na Benito Mussolini no we se ne we se apagya ne nsana se binya fans na oje na no mbeka kyerem wa se Adolf Hitler no chia or the Nazi salute na chia
yeah
ono so sana no ye
Sara na we see
ono kwa the Nazi life no twema fascism sa na friend fascism no we na kofa bae ye onyumbu we se unam de bae ne ye ne hit and Adolf Hitler be ye hit
we na de be na Adolf Hitler
be ye ne hit so he was the major proponent of fascism na mira omo ye sade we wo Italy ni nyina no Diego Maradona free Spain e bae no asemo di kaka ne say he felt the burden of an entire nation no means what is the entire nation no say omo Naples no Neapolitans no ka chen say omo nka Italy ho e na obi so omo sade no musio so omo kobobo a obi hu bi nti the first time owura Inter no Milan that is Lombardy omo bo match Maradona according to Carlo Garganesi no say Inter for the fans munche omo na munware omo no hu efi Napoli for na ba Akron for na ba malaria ase for na ba ehiafo any Mediterranean Africa for no omoma naba enwuma na to di tia Napoli for no baby omu bia ntino you find a stigma for the people from Naples. So ye Neapolitan na so we Sicilian and so ye Sardinian na so okosoro okosku a Italy for no mo soro fita for no omu different. Enti when you na course no nansan se mesanya map no bi ma Verona I have see two teams. Yo Chievo Verona and yo Hellas Verona, Emilia Romagna. Namira. And Chebia in 2021, Sarri called Napoli, sorry, Juventus. No. Sarri called Lazio, Okobo against Hellas Verona, Kwaku Okobo Bono, or the Akurebi Ekoi, near Fracrano, Floriani Mussolini. Or the great grandson of Benito Mussolini.
Oh, okay.
Now, per Italy Mrano by 2003, now say omokwa aban mu koje special dispensation. Say Edi Mussolini no akrane bitima eyusu SOMPA because Edi ayemudi. Nemu say wo later years ne dia obitima yusu. Na nema fu die sa di ni Edi a e kan chichemu a Benito Mussolini di ba Italy no.
Ti omo mpekwa
Eni ewu a odi oman no. Nanso ne nana ebobo. Ne ba a owo akure yi no. The friend Alessandra Mussolini or a politician or Italy. Cotton one ma. Enti enranajo. Right. Italia.
Yeah.
There was a discussion going on. And almost say Mussolini ewu. Nebe ebo league ni bi. But omujidi say ever since Diego Maradona beji league no. Emma Napoli omunyi biem no. This time round Napoli is not just dominating the Serie A. Nemum it is the rise of the South. Into Italian South, no? Yefena La Vincita del South. Sebenya Italian South teams na. Kwaku timu se afi modern mo omobono. Ano edem papa. La Vincita del South. Spalletti vola verso lo scudetto, ma anche Frosinone, Catanzaro e Catania so en un parso della impresa. Clearly, almost there has been a schism. There is a movement because of down south Italia, Serie A no, Neodikai, Spalletti, and in the Napoli. Difference between Omoni near Odi Onwechino 18 points. Napoli 68 points. Mirasoko PM Serie B Nima. Another team from down south. And a LED Frosinone. Difference between Omo and Neodi Onwechino Mira 9 points. So Oko PM Serie C Gironi Nuswa. And also Masa Ejuma Koso. Now look, Frosinone dominated Serie B no. Hitman our team Nima Oye Ejuma Samuele Mutaleri. Ona da hono. Ahasu ye Osimhen.
Yes.
Enye Hong Kong. Catanzaro uko Serie C Gironi numa. Catanzaro 80 points. Frosinone was 62 in Serie B. Serie C Gironi no. Catanzaro 68 points. 60 points. 80 points. Difference near 14 between Omoni and other Onwechi. Again, Pietro Lamento and the LED or Hitman, the best player of Bogos no. Lastly, uko PM Serie D ni muswa. Also Coco Lodi and the boy Juma Edema Catania. Catania 72 points. Near down with you know only do on 20 points.
Yeah, baby Catania kwa di.
Aye. Makedu say any Catania.
Baby o makodu.
And Mira, say if something really is happening in Italy, and then say baby a Mussolini edebiano. Na that cameraman also no say and kofu bejo mine boso. But in the football paradigm, Italy is coming in our straw. Companies are happening in our straw. Name ye cashin and munyam say. When you go into the football, La Vincita del South, you can make a strong case for the teams at the South. Na efe de say Mussolini wuko. Nijume di odi senka odi sie na wa ha Southern clubs no. Mira, akodu level bi say ene ye hwa enhwe. Ne nana eti ha na ohwe ne na edwuma and a southern class a dominating northern class in a manner never seen before. I feel near Shassie, near Frosinone, Cartanazzo, Cartania, Napoli, Omunina bit Melody, La Revincita del Sud, near Sampa, Bonnie, any Oyeni, Benito Mussolini, Edi Wono, a bedroom maybe on bit me as a sanana. Mira, now no near Hane can the technical quality of Spanish midfielders. Na modern money ya ne akasa enkofu omo ya de o, especially their supreme technical ability on the ball. So ball ni kromo a their vision and iswade hu omo the pass ball no, their ball control and some bi omo body nim aye pass a ball through ball and sa nneoma no mira ya na efeye na say edwa bia ne de eba afi dwado eyi sronko ba kwa bema a friend Gabri Veiga. Na okopiem down South Spain. Baby a Celta Vigo Yukro, a friend Galicia.
SOMPA
Na wa ope biano. So oko supermarketa. Also ope Estrella Galicia. Omubi edin no.
Okay.
Kama. Ode yako tribe. Na timu we ubudia. Nipa mienu come to the fore. Back referring Hugo Mayo. About 300 games at the Ama Celta Vigo. Uyi ni free wa. Team we ni sunsum ne kra. Nipa eshe ni sheni mu. Your friend say Iago Aspas. Iago Aspas single-handedly ashe 200 goals. Na fibia ne nieba. Iago Aspas enchibia na emse odinijumedie ne eberie. Nanso Vigo nyame eya krafo frokra wedi mfiri aduonu. I friend Gabriel Vega Edna Mai. Kuku a journalism student. He's a journalism student
SOMPA
at 20
Sports.
and a Osen Bobo Nibi. Ya won Oporinho province. Na Eda Iago Aspas ebo first match Emma Celta Vigo. That's his debut no. Na ya dia na Branti American wasem Gabriel Vega wedi 6 years. And on the idol and the elbow. The release clause no umpeka tintin be 40 million euros. But again, what is very important about his output? Kokum say washe 8 goals with 3 assists this season. Or a progressive connector, the very interior no, or tambo no the bar. He knows how to play the right pass. He knows how to evade the press. He knows how to evade challenges, and he has a unique way of connecting the defense and the attack. Bruh. Ne nani mi enu ni nyina ye adwuma na ne body no so de bia everlasting with him intino wa adwun so obekọ ho no akra no betumi a ne eto Iago Aspas for Liverpool no komfa bi ntu ne hofo no ntena ho one more year no mfa enye na adwuma but look, the boy has vision ohwe so fa ball no ba obra obeja ho sisi with one body feint. Yes, Rebisau. How are Spain able to produce this kind of technical quality, technically astute and gifted playmakers in their team? Las Palmas eba Spanish Primera no more Rocky Mesa. Oba Swansea and fa. But you could clearly see he has the ability. Nipa o coach Celta Vigo to say, Carlos Carvalho, Portuguese coach and maybe no coach Swansea.
Yes.
And one of the things he has said, they say, yeah, because Omujidi say, enchebi akra we no. But he has everything to be a one club man. Nanso no onji nisa akrai obetna sene Iago Aspas any Hugo Maluma because a yet denya obeko.
Now what is a Madrid for no pese cruise in a Modric here we no mope. We can't do Bellingham.
I'm not so surprised. His profile fits them.
Trigger we.
Bra and no. Young is here in Kasabi Okwa. Na fi na only baby girls ekodi ano. Now our trigger release clause no neko. Gabriel Vega is that good, and his ceiling is so high for the role he plays for them. And I'm hoping say and never bet me akon kaina bibia etima konkaida man say nye pra ene ne maboni bi na beba na kwan mu a me gidi pa yi say akra we obekwa echi pa. Again, these Spanish footballers have a way. They really have a way of telling us that they are good. And Nyamianim Ukraine, I'm say Accra Gabriel Vega, Uheni Biana just a Weniaji because Accra Nankasa Onimbo on the ball. Mira, if you be the Pope's Cup, na esre kakra pope ne cap no e ade ayebo na ohima Pope Francis obaye no this is his 10th year.
Yeah.
Now say COVID into no more tournament no. But ohwe kwanya omufa so organize this tournament na. Normal FIFA tournament na nka 3 changes. And we 5 changes. You about 30 minutes instead of 45. Now your third half ni we are 2 teams ni na irrespective of the results. Amukwa ko bompire boom. Now this year Pope Francis abe commission tournament na Pope by omabon captains armband nyina say omeyedman Pope Francis e de ball ne ba ball ye ball Vatican ho na Pope Francis e be dru ye ni na just all short teams ni nyina chairman agent captains armband bibia e konkan e de man clearly you could see this is a tournament e dana koma so na feed ye no say oboa so obi amompaye no mfantai dwumadi a ekos wo wiase afana nyina no efri say and they say ankan ho amboma say yentimi embo brano emane enkwache. The most successful team in this tournament is an African team. And so now bit about tournament we be that's all your seminarian and I say you are studying to be a priest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And on the ball.
Now successful team in African team.
Imagine 7 times out of 10.
I will the men I want to call.
Now the Urbano College.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, say Omomusia there no. Students you must be affiliated to one of these schools as a seminarian. I send over to my body.
Ati, Bishop, me da sepa.